We are at Stephen King's house. He's there.
I wonder where he does most of his writing.
This is Bangor, Maine. Stephen King's house, the writer.
Cut that tree down, huh? Is that the alley?
Okay. Stephen King.
They're all gonna say, "Oh, you just found a house to say it was his."
This is Bangor. So we're at the local, what's your name?
Jim.
That's what we were looking for. And he has sign dishes over here. So, that's pretty cool.
You ever meet him? No.
Look at that, all three cats are eating. There's Nella, Tanner, and Mia.
Look at him eat that. He must like it, huh?
So we stopped at this cute little store.
Cute little store we stopped at here. Coming down the highway. And there's Boo Boo. But I think this is Mrs. Boo Boo. She's got a Girl Scout sash on there with all her merit badges and everything. Look at that, Girl Scouts of America, yep. They got quite a collection here.
Oh, I love that. Hello.
And this is the Patriotic Bear. How you doing, buddy? Yep.
What do we got? Oh. Interesting. Thank you. Does that wheel work? Isn't that cool? The gentleman saying that Pawn Stars wants them to bring it in as a customer. Pam's going to spin it again. Smile! Go ahead.
Why don't you do it now?
That's all right.
Yeah, your YouTube thing. Wow, this is like,
This is cool. I like this. Where you at, honey? Did you see the, come here and look at this.
You got a good collection.
You get them all in 3 weeks.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. You know, it's just, I was thinking to myself, like, who can be driving by with that, 9-foot wheel in the back of their car, But that's what they're going to I have some upstairs. That one is broken. Somebody busted it. But I have 3 of them upstairs.
movie?
Yeah, canoe. And then right back here, 2 horses. Daddy's home too.
Daddy's Home 2 was in the movie.
Mark Wahlberg, Mel Gibson. And I'm trying to remember. It's a comedy. It's like this came out like last year or something. And that stuff that was right there, that was in the movie. Yeah, stuff. Part of it's set in a cabin, so they wanted like stuff that you would put in a cabin, kind of thing.
So where did it make this movie?
They filmed it in Boston. We had a show right on 1A.
Wow, look at that bear trap.
You can spin it. It works. It's 1890s. ACF. Well, no, they sent me an email, so that's how they do it. Like, you see, I put it on
Some old stuff in here. Some of the stuff's older than I am. Yeah, look at that. I don't know what that is. Guess it's, what do they call them? To separate and make noise. I think they're the old lead tops on the Atlas. I think they are. I don't know. Stove. Modern oak stove. Matt from Native. Look at that. Huh? You catch something like that, let me know. Go. Old well pump. Keep that squirrel right up the tree.
I know.
Just learned that this bear right here was used in the movie Daddy's Home 2 with all that Will Ferrell and them. And the guy owns it. But pretty cool. You people that watch that movie too, Daddy's Home 2. That's the bear. Go all the way to Arizona to see the space people. I got one right here. Check this guy out. I don't know if it's a female or male. Anybody tell me, let me know. Check this out. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we got a bear here. But I'll tell you right now, if that thing starts walking, I'm out of here. And then there's the whole gang there. And the guy on the right with his hands in his pocket with the light blue shirt, he's the one that owns it. This is called Benton Trading Post. And if anybody's interested in anything in this store, it's called the Benton Trading Post. Are you on Facebook or?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the link below.
Oh, yeah, never mind.
Say Kimberly's gonna put the link
Kimberly's
below.
gonna put the link below. There's the Queen sitting in her throne.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on